Hello home sellers and buyers. The Market Watch report for month of November 2023 is out, and high borrowing costs and uncertain economic conditions continue to affect on Greater Toronto Area home sales in November 2023. November home sales were down on a year-over-year basis, and at the same time the listings were up from last year's shortage in supply. Hi, my name is Pardeep Jassi, Realtor from Century 21 People Choice. If you have any question about this report or you are looking to sell or buy a home, please don't hesitate to call me, Pardeep Jassi, at 416-629-3480, or you can also visit my website at www.pardeepjassi.com. The Bank of Canada left its benchmark interest rate unchanged on Wednesday. The central bank kept its policy rate at 5.0% in its third consecutive decision, and it's a final rate announcement of 2023. Overall inflation cooled sharply to 3.1% in October, which is down from a peak of 8.1% in June 2022. Canada's economy, meanwhile, contracted in the third quarter with a steeper drop than most forecasters expected. Home prices have adjusted from their peak in response to higher borrowing costs. This has provided some relief for buyers from an affordability perspective. As mortgage rates trend lower next year and the population continues to grow at a record pace, you can expect demand to increase relative to supply. This will eventually lead to a renewed growth in the home prices. This year in 2023, with more choice in the market, home selling prices remain basically flat year over year. Inflation and elevated borrowing costs have taken their toll on affordability. However, it does appear that relief is on the horizon. Bond yields, which underpin the fixed rate mortgages, have been trending lower, and an increased number of forecasters are anticipating Bank of Canada rate cuts in the first half of 2024. Lower rates will help alleviate affordability issues for existing homeowners and those who are looking to enter the market. GTA Realtors reported 4,236 sales throughout the TREB MLS system in November 2023, which is a 6% decline compared to November 2022. Over the same period, the number of new listings were up by 16.5%. On a seasonally adjusted monthly basis, sales are slightly up compared to October 2023. The average selling price was down by 2.2% month over month basis.